Welcome friends to Healthy Vibes. Okay, now tell me, do you miss your favorite dish UPMA and you're not able to cook it perfectly? Okay, so today we are going to cook traditional UPMA just in 5 minutes. So let's move to the kitchen. Okay, so here we are back to our kitchen and let's cook. So first of all, I'm going to turn on the flame and put my gas on high flame. Now, we will add oil in it. We are using normal mustard oil. And we'll just let it heat for some time. So now the oil is heated properly and we are going to add our tadka in it. So here I have taken some chana dal or gram dal, some urad dal and some rai here. So we are going to add them. Just after adding them, just dry roast them for 1 minute. So they are almost at the stage of crackling, and now at this place only we'll add some curry leaves in it. So be careful while adding these. Now we are going to add chilies in it. That will make it tastier. Now let's add some ginger paste. Here we are going to add onions in it. Onions are done. Carrots. Now let's roast it. Now we are going to add some salt. And now we have taken salt here and let's add salt. You have to add salt to your taste. And now just so this is the point where we have to add our semolina or suji. Okay. Now I have taken 1 cup of suji here and let's add. So this is roasted properly, and now we are going to add water. This should be on low flame while you're adding water. Be careful. Just after adding water, stir it with the one. Okay, so now it's serving time and we'll serve it. We'll decorate our plate with some beautiful and tasty salads. So first of all, I've made the shape for the upma and we demold it in the center. Okay, so now we have demolded it and we'll decorate it with some tasty salads. Okay, so I have placed some onions here. Now I'm placing some cucumbers here. Some coriander that gives tasty taste to your upma. And at last, a beautiful green chili. Our upma is done. You can have it. It's very beautiful. Okay, so here we are done with your favorite dish, upma, and these are the nutritional